we're gonna talk about something that I think you guys might be interested. So stay tuned. I know there are tons of rumors and misconceptions about Chinese. Like we can perform a kung fu ho, ho, at anywhere. Or we eat everything like fish, cat, bat, even insect. Maybe, but be honestly, I have never ever ate any bat because adventure is the best. It's a joke. Hope you like it. Anyway, let's talk about the real and the biggest misconception about Chinese, and that is why we good at math. Why? First of all, I don't want to waste your time, make some graphic tables and give you tons of numbers. I won't do that because time is the most precious thing we could have. Right? And basically the answer of this question is so simple and so easy to understand. On the other hand, I don't want to say there are physical differences between the Chinese people and the other people. Actually, it's not true. The complicated questions usually have simple answers. It's true, like the question we can talk about. So here is the fact why Chinese people good at math. Practice. Okay, I know the answer is extremely boring. No any magical things happen. Maybe you guys expect I would say
because of the rice, because Chinese people they eat rice every single day, and the rice has magical power to make your brain functioning well.
So as I have mentioned, the complicated questions usually have simple answers. Let me show you something. Let's have a competition. This is my daughter's school bag, and you can see it's orange. It's adorable and it's young. And you can do this. Yeah. And this is my backpack, and it's black, nothing special, and seems too old, like me. So let me ask you a question. Which one do you think is more heavier, the orange one or the black one? But first, let me give you some information. Inside my daughter's school bag, we have an exercise book, another exercise book, textbook, pencils, erasers, and something, like that. And in my backpack, we have a charger, another charger, keys, hand sanitizer, wallet, an iPad, notebook. Okay, that's it. That's all I have. So which one do you think is more heavier, the orange or the black? Are you ready? The game is coming. 1, 2, 3. So it's clear, the winner is my daughter. A 7-year-old girl. Her school bag is more heavier than an adult's backpack, which is insane, And the most important things you got to know is she have to carry it every single day. Even the weekend. I know it's hard to believe, but let me explain why. Here we have 3 exercise books, and specifically they are math problem exercise book, and of course they are my daughters. We have exercise book for class, exercise book for home, the exercise book for weekend, 7 days a week non-stop. There are two numbers you should know. 210. That means every student, they should finish 200 math problems in 10 minutes. And there is no calculator. Just use your brain and your pencil. And we call it 口算, the mental math ability. Just remember 210 is a basic line. Above the line, you're just okay. You're good, but not great. You still need working hard to become more faster, more better. But if you are under the line, son, you need more practice. You need more practice. 200 math problems in a day. And that means 1,400 a week and 5,600 a month. It's a large number. So guys, there is no miracle. We are not born with the talent, and the only things we have is practicing over and over and over, even the weekend. Even you're hated, even you are just 6 or 7 years old, even you are in your first grade. Just practice. Because we put lots of efforts into the practice. We have spent times, energies, and meanwhile we have sacrificed a lot, so that we could make you believe the Asian guy or the Chinese guy, they are good at math. But it's not true. It's just an illusion. Probably you might ask why you guys put so many efforts on the math. You know what? Good question. Because you have to. If you want to survive in China, math is the most important thing you got to learn, and you should learn it well, because it's not just for a good job, it's for your money, for your shopping. Have you heard about that? Save money, save life. So I and many other Chinese people, I think we have the similar experience that when we shop online, we have tons of coupons. Yes, coupons. So the most important thing is how we use them. We use them together in one order, or we use them separately. There are tons of ways. So how you solve the problems, guess what? Math. Some guys, they even write a program, or some guys, they just use a notebook. But you gotta remember, what they do the math. So it's time to make a point and make a conclusion. We have never asked why LeBron James or Kobe Bryant, they are good at basketball. We never do that, right? Because we knew there is a huge difference between the professional athlete and the general people, the general public. We knew they have been spending lots of time to practice. So back to our question. As a Chinese, we are in the same situation. Why we are good at math? Because we spend a lot of time to practice. Maybe since the kindergarten, maybe you are just in your first grade. So if you want good at something, you do it more, you do it better. This is today's video, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, maybe you could consider giving me a thumbs up, and I would appreciate it. And if you have any question about Chinese or China, like how we live, how we work, what's the daily food we actually eat, please leave a comment, and maybe I would pick some of them to make a video to respond. Hope you guys have a good day. I see you in the next video. Bye.